गानों में सलामी देना तो किसी की बाली उम्र, वो रोमानी लोकेशंस, वो तपती धूप में मेहनत, वो हर एक फ्राइडे में बदलती हुई बॉक्स ऑफिस पर किसी की किस्मत, वो ऑडियंस की कभी कभी तकरार, कभी बेशुमार प्यार, कभी कभी स्टार का बनना एक्टर, कभी एक्टर का स्टार, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वही रीजन जिसके लिए आधी कर दी मैंने अपनी जवानी, वो 3 घंटों में लिपटी कई कहानियां, कई जिंदगानी। अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कहीं जन्नत है तो वो यही है, यही है, यही है। आप वाह वाह बोल सकते हैं आप। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 16th annual Videocon D2H IFA Weekend and S-Cross IFA Awards Press Conference. Welcome to this wonderful evening, another year where we celebrate one of Bollywood's finest and the glorious spirit of the entertainment and the cinema. Now, of course, we know IFA is a blast and more. We get to gorgeous as ever. Hi, Shahid. Then he sends me a kiss right across. But what it aims to do year after year is, of course, build bed for you. But I would like to begin the session by welcoming the esteemed members of the media. Good evening, members of the media. Give yourselves a big hand. Thank you, Poonam, again. Also, I would like to thank the sponsors because they are key in making the IFA Dreams a success year after year. Videocon, Hero Cycles. I know, we will. Mr. Kapoor. Oh, and there's Hrithik Roshan in the audience, even as we speak. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand while your cameras come up as well. And as I speak and I'm counting down, we have Arjun Kapoor entering the hall. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand, Arjun. Hey, good evening. What's up? And Sonakshi Sinha, the gorgeous. Hi, Sonakshi. Good evening. And the man who drinks from the fountain of youth, Mr. Anil Kapoor himself. Give him a big hand. All right, I just gave all of you a wonderfully warm welcome. I will repeat myself a little later, not now, but thank you everybody for being here. It's going to be a wonderful evening and a wonderful weekend next weekend. I would like to begin with, before this excitement gets the better of me, I would like to hand over the spotlight. Ah, sir, let's have you on stage, the Mr. Anil Kapoor! I knew this day would come.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. Thank you so much. The media, Hamare Mai Baap, thank you very much for being here in such large numbers, and all the sponsors. There are a few things I'm very, very excited about this IFA. There are a lot of firsts happening, over here. So that really, I'm very, very excited, but this time I'm also dialogue excited. Most important is there are two of the people whom I really admire, respect, and who have taken whatever they have done to international level, and who are hugely admired, respected by the entire film fraternity also for what they have done. I'm very excited that Wizcraft, which is and Andre and the Colors team, Mr. Raj Naik, are coming together. You can expect something really, really spectacular. And I mean it from my bottom of my heart when I say that. Because for them, it's not only about money. Of course, money is important, but it's the passion. That whatever we do, we'll do to our best and make it world class. नुकसान होता है, होने दो यार, वो तो चलता रहता है, नफा फायदा तो चलता ही रहता है, पर हम जो भी करेंगे वो जबरदस्त करेंगे. So this IFA, I promise you, is gonna rock. And of course, friends, ladies and gentlemen, there are few of the actors over here, and I'm really huge fan of all of them sitting over here, and I've admired, and I can see that, they're ruling, they're going to rule forever and ever. There's Shahid Kapoor, there is of course Mr. Hrithik, whom I have always been a great fan, and I told him when I saw him, I said, "Tu 1-2 saal nahi, 30-40 saal, 30-40 saal tak you'll be the top star." I don't know if you remember that. And of course, Arjun has taken me by surprise. Yeah, absolutely. I never expected him. Seriously, I'm telling you, Arjun, whenever I meet you, whenever I interact with you, you're terrific, absolutely fantastic. The way you speak, this is just the beginning. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You're going to be huge, I promise you. You're going to be huge. And of course, Sonakshi. क्या dialogue is famous? झकास से ज़्यादा popular कौन सा है? खामोश. There's only one dialogue which is much more popular than झकास, and that is खामोश. अरे of course यार, same thing यार. खून तो एक ही है ना. Legacy. हाँ, थप्पड़ से डर लगता है. So I'm so happy all of you are coming for this IFA. It's going to be, really excited. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to all your performances, and as I look forward to all your films, Shahid, Hrithik, Arjun, Sonakshi, and I'm sure, I can see it that we all are basically inherently entertainers. We love to make people smile, laugh, make them happy, and I can see that in you all. And that's what it is, and that's what we are supposed to be. God has given us so much. It has given us so much, and that's what we should do every time we are on stage or we are in front of the camera. Do our best and entertain everybody. Yeah. And what better platform than the IFA platform? It's world class. I have traveled all over the world. I have witnessed a lot of awards, walked a lot of red carpets, but IFA is the best. The IFA weekend, it's a unique combination of awards, fashion shows, and serious conversation, and workshops, you name it, and business, everything. And you can see that everybody, even the sponsors and the people from Malaysia, Mr. Mohammed, I'm looking forward to staying in your hotel. I'm sure all my friends have said that I told them that that's the best hotel in Malaysia is your hotel. So we're looking forward to staying over there. So friends, ladies and gentlemen, I won't take much of time because I think enough has been said, and everybody knows how great IFA is. And this year, I have promised the Malaysian government and all the people who came on at the press conference, that my instinct says, and my instinct is always right, and it's my gut level that this is going to be the best IFA. And of course, Dil Dhadakne Do's screening, the premiere is going to happen over here. थोड़ा बहुत promotion तो बनता है. थोड़ा promotion तो बनता है. Am I right or wrong? हाँ, वो तो हम लोग अपनी 200%. So there's going to be a screening of Dil Dhadakne Do, and which is I think we all are looking forward to. I am looking forward to. I am very anxious, very nervous, and of course now I have been given this honor to invite my dearest friend, Mr. Raj Nayak.
Just heard Arjun and Ranveer saying they are going to redeem all their sins in IFA. I don't think you can get a better platform to redeem your sins. Yeah. Big hand to Anil Kapoor, the youngest man. He mentioned that Hrithik will do 40 years, and I think Anil has already done 40 years in Indian cinema and still going strong. I'm not going to speak too much. Suffice to say that at Colors, anything and everything that we do, we try to do it with a lot of passion, and we try to scale up things, try to do it in a different way, and hopefully in true Color style, we'll give you a great entertaining event this year. IFA, I think, and I believe, is probably the world's largest Bollywood event. And there are only 3 reasons people don't go to IFA. One is because if they are shooting or they've got some commitments which they can't get out of. Two is if hotels are not available and airline tickets are not available, which I am told is the case right now. We are having huge logistic problems in flying a lot of people, and I know people are going via Dubai and Singapore and Delhi to reach IFA. And third is if you are not invited to IFA. I'll show you another promo. I mean, that will give you a glimpse of what is going to come and how different IFA is going to be this year. Before I get off the stage, I just want to invite everybody, all of you, to come to Malaysia and experience our hospitality. Shahid, Ritik, Arjun, Anil, Sonakshi, and my friends Sabas, Andre and Viraf, thank you very much, and hopefully we'll deliver a great event this year. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. This is my 4th time I'm showcasing at IFA, and really excited to be a part of the family. This time I'm inspired by the new line which is being launched by Maruti. It's called Monochromes. Everything is going to be monochrome, black, white, which is my signature line, signature colors. Lots to be seen, but I'll keep it as a surprise. Thank you very much.
Rocky S, being the shy boy here, but watch him on that weekend. I'm telling you, he's going to be a changed person. Speaking of which, now on stage, that cute face behind the beard, those wonderful, wonderful eyes that people can't stop talking about. Let's invite on stage, while he looks me straight in the eye, Arjun Kapoor.
Malaysia is what we are going to
You
say
practice.
when we get to Malaysia. I started practicing. करना पड़ता है boss. पहली बार लाइफ में इतना बड़ा मौका मिला है, and after the way Anil Chachu's hosted the last 3 minutes, he's done what we might not be able to do in 3 hours, is entertain you, excite you, encourage you, motivate you, and make you realize what potentially IFA is all about, and the coming together of colors along with Wishcraft and all the sponsors and everybody affiliated with this fantastic showcasing of our film industry. What Anil Chachu said, we are all entertainers in our own way, we try and entertain. मेरी IFA के साथ काफ़ी सारी memories है, actor बनने के पहले भी थी. I'm getting a chance to host with my Baba, Ranveer Singh. इज्जत का फालूदा तो हम वैसे ही कर चुके हैं काफ़ी बार, तो इस बार कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, hopefully नाम रोशन करेंगे हिंदुस्तान का. But it's been fantastic to be able to be part of IFA on so many occasions, and I've enjoyed it every single time. Today I thought थोड़ा अलग करता हूँ कुछ. आप सबका आशीर्वाद चाहिए, especially since we have all these fantastic actors here with me. I thought मैं थोड़ी सी hosting की practice अभी से शुरू कर लेता हूँ. Why don't you replace Ranveer and be by my side?
How
for
on
the
earth
time
am I
being?
ever going to
No, he
replace
is
Baba?
irreplaceable. मेरा पहला आखिरी and one and only Baba. But I thought I'll invite all my fellow actors on stage, and we'll do a bit of question answer session rather than me talking unnecessarily.
Done. Who are we starting with?
Who would you like to start with?
Well,
मेरे क्यू कार्ड्स के हिसाब से मुझे जाना चाहिए, just to make sure कि मैं ज़्यादा ना फफलाऊं. कहा इसीलिए टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर बहुत
yeah,
पसंद
while you do
है.
that, I can forgive the audience. That's what Baba would do.
So, let's start with somebody who I've grown up admiring. I've agreed that I have a man crush on this person, and he has made Hindustan ki film industry so Roshan. Ritik Roshan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Very happy to be here. It's an honor. It's IFA time again, and we are already rocking, as you can see. That's a good start. Very happy to be here. My love for IFA has been expressed by me many a times. I love you, IFA. I love all the people behind the IFA, Andre, the entire team, all the people who are associated with IFA this time. Congratulations. We are going to have a ball. IFA really is something. Hey, you want to ask me some question?
No, आप अच्छा फ्लो में जा रहे हो, जाइए ना.
नहीं तो पूछ ले नहीं.
नहीं, you
तेरे
go
जवाब
ahead.
जो है वो मेरे ये इसमें स्पीच में.
अच्छा, तो मैं एक्चुअली पूछना चाहता था, what is your most fondest memory since you've been part of IFA from its inception? What is your fondest and gladdest memory?
अरे yeah, that moment after party में when you know that girl.
अच्छा, नहीं.
No, sorry. We should not go there.
Award show के अंदर.
अच्छा show क्या? IFA really is about the moments. I think just like in life, it's all about taking each moment and creating something magical with it. But what happens with the IFA is that, I'm rocking a bit too much. I want to stand up. What happens in the IFA is that it gets automatic. Yeah. You arrive at a place and the magic just begins. And I think the magic moments come from the faces of all our fans and all the people that we get to meet, in such far across places. And it reminds me that, it's such a wonderful world that even though they are so far apart, they are able to connect and touch my heart and my soul. And this would not be possible, if IFA didn't exist. So thank you, IFA, for connecting the world, making the world, a more beautiful place, more connected place. Doing that, contributing that to our cinema. I think that's, apart from that, I have a lot of other moments also. But I think the bond that I share with IFA, I think, starts because I think we both were born, both were born in the same year. We were both born in 2000. Cinematically, we are the same age. We are what? 15 years old now.
So we are like, नहीं हो 15. You don't look 15 at all.
I don't say such things in front of Anil. I used to say uncle, but I can't say uncle anymore.
Just imagine.
मतलब कि it is not allowed. मतलब 20 साल से जो इंसान, I look up to him, say Anil uncle, I've learned from him. One day I looked at him, I can't call him uncle, man. And he told me that I will last for 40 years. I'm 40 years old now, he looks 39. I'm confused. कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Just so you feel better, he calls me Arjun Chachu. That should put into perspective. Just say it again so people know that you actually call me that. What do you call me at home? See, he calls me Chachu, so you can imagine he's aging backwards.
He just wants you to go to the gym a bit more.
Yeah, that's it.
No, as I was saying, IFA and I are the same age. We are 15 years old now. So we're like into our teens now. We're teenagers. So and we all know what teens think about all day. Not that shy, you corrupted mind. We think about having a good time, and that's what we're going to have in Malaysia. We're going to have the best time ever. I mean, last year was passé, man. We were 14 years old last year. This year we are 15, man. We know how to do it now. We're going to have a rocking time, right? Mind blowing.
आपका आशीर्वाद मिल गया.
What?
The thing is, I'm just staring at you and wondering how you're so good looking. I've forgotten what I wanted to ask you. And this might happen very often during the show also, that we might not be able to continue what we thought of. Speaking about good looking, speaking about people जो है लोगों की दिलों की धड़कन, जो है लड़कियों की दिलों की धड़कन, शहद की तरह स्वीट, जैसे रणवीर सिंह ने फैसला किया इनको बुलाने का, हमारे प्यारे दुलारे सबके प्यारे शाहिद कपूर, यानी कि शाहिद कपूर को बुलाना चाहेंगे स्टेज पे.
Yeah, I think we should.
Because even I
Basically, तुम लोग हम लोग को ऐसा फील करा, हम लोग इतने बुड्ढे हो गए कि हम लोग को रॉकिंग चेयर की जरूरत है, जैसे वो बुड्ढे लोग ऐसा बैठते हैं. This is all a strategy. But I'll call you Chachu for the rest of this event.
Okay.
It's really uncomfortable. I think I'll also stand. Very, very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of IFA one more time. I think everybody has said everything that possibly can be said about IFA. I'm performing here after, I think, 4 or 5 years. I've been hosting for the last 2 years, but now we have 2 psychotic people hosting IFA, and I don't think me and Farhan can ever beat that. So I'm sure it's going to be very, very entertaining. And I'm really, really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
Yes.
And Arjun and me seem to be sporting similar looks. I'm glad I trimmed my goatee just before I came. Otherwise, we would have really looked very
We are actually Jodwa.
weirdly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you something. I asked him a question. I
Yes,
want
sure.
to ask you, we all love watching you dance. You love dancing. You love performing. Abhi bhi nervous hote ho when you dance? Tell us honestly. Do you feel that anxiety when you go up on stage?
See, when you once in a while stand next to, sit next to, act next to, talk next to Hrithik Roshan, it just reminds you of the fact that there's a very long way to go as a dancer. And I'm not saying this just for
easy
effect.
way out. Easy
I'm
answer.
not saying this for effect. Listen, I saw your first film, and I remember, I just bought myself a sports bike and all. No, it wasn't your first film. It was Koi Mil Gaya. Sir, one more.
Ladies
yes,
and gentlemen, Anil Kapoor! Oh my God. I think he's doing it, Arjun.
See?
I think we've
See
asked.
the dedication he has.
This is what ask and you shall receive. Anil Kapoor teaches it to us.
I mean, this is his dedication. I know for a fact that this man, when he knows he has dubbing, will be up at 6 a.m. in the morning because सुबह सुबह आवाज बहुत अच्छी sound करती है, and he'll go and dub, and that is the kind of passion that we all need to learn, and I hope I can imbibe that and make him proud, like he was saying.
All right, give it up for these jackass people on stage, all of them. Yes. Arjun, you have one last chance to ask Chachu a question. Would you like to ask him something?
नहीं, I think उन्होंने मतलब जो कहना था, जो करना था, सब कुछ कर दिया. अभी मलेशिया में मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे होगे सवाल जवाब, वहाँ पे होगी मस्ती, and see you all at IFA 2015.
Well, great. Before that, I just have something for you. Please, ja, please, ja. Please, nahi, ghar nahi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, before you go, there is one practice run you have to do of something that you will be doing at IFA. Can all of you together once look into the audience with your mics and say, "We love you, IFA!" One, two, three.
We love
All right. There's just one little activity. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, sir.
एक second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir
Actually,
is saying hello. Excuse
yeah.
me.
एक सेकंड, शांति.
Hup, hup, hup.
Just say खामोश.
Khamosh. Irshad, sir.
actually क्या हो गया कि I'm a very hungry actor, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. We love you, IFA!
That's the way it's done. That's the way it's done, boys and girls. That's Anil Kapoor. All right, before we go, just a quick question. Hrithik, of course, you've won an IFA award.
Yeah.
Sir, you have won an IFA award.
Yes, too.
Too, very proudly so. So, Nakshi, my Janiman, have you won an IFA award?
Yes, my debut award.
All right, that's her debut. Shahid, you're looking hotter every day. It's a time, I'm telling you. Have you won an IFA award?
Yes.
Arjun? Oh, the whole industry knows this? I thought I was special. Arjun, have you won an IFA award?
No, I've never won an IFA award.
Baba?
Baba has won an IFA award.
So you're the only, I obviously can't win it at this point in my life yet, but this is a space where IFA award makes everybody happy. So today, we're going to give you your own, before we go there, lots of practice happening, we're going to give you your own personal special IFA award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have?
और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा ऋतिक रोशन, अनिल कपूर, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा एंड शाहिद कपूर को.
Please, उसको यहाँ रख
अरे,
दीजिए.
इतना बड़ा
We would
award.
like to see Arjun Kapoor. This is your award. Get it, my friend. Get
थोड़ा
it.
हिला हुआ है.
Also has not been given to anybody before this. Sir.
And it should never be given again to anybody either. But ये गाड़ी में fit नहीं आने वाला award. But thank you. I would like to thank a lot of people और मैं Malaysia में कर दूँगा.
All right, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we will be seeing you at the IFA, but before that, I would like to request all our esteemed sponsors to please come back on stage for a photo op, the beginning of a great relationship and a big welcome into the IFA family. Can we have you all on stage, please, sir?
I just have one announcement to make. We have just found out, and this is amazing news. We've just found out that the man that we wanted as for the finale act of the IFA has just consented and given his word that he is going to perform. He's already started his rehearsals. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to the man, Andre Timmins, who is going to perform on Chikni Chameli. And he is going to give you a little look-see right now.
Andre, we can
Yeah,
get the
Andre,
media
come
to
on.
chant your name at this point.
Okay, maybe not now. Malaysia mein. Pakka. Do little bit. Nothing? Okay, fine.
Again, since this is live on the Fame app, we've got Andre's promise saying that he's going to do this in Malaysia. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen of the media. Give them a big hand. Thank you so much for being with us. All your friends of IFA. Thank you, Shahid, Sonakshi.
I'm very excited to be part of IFA, to get a chance to host it with Ranveer, somebody I really enjoy working with, and to be able to entertain people. आखिर एक एक्टर का काम होता है लोगों को अलग अलग तरीके से एंटरटेन करना, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इस बार होस्ट करके लोगों को एंटरटेन कर पाएंगे हम लोग. I think at the end of the day, if you try and underline it, then it seems like you're preaching. जो फैक्ट है वो फैक्ट है. I think equality is something that's always existed in society. It's coming to the forefront through cinema now, and that's amazing. As long as films are being made well and they're doing well, it doesn't matter अगर हीरो की हो या हीरोइन को, पिक्चर सबकी होती है. So I'm really happy that films like Allu Arjun, Manu, Piku, Highway, Mary Kom, all have done well, which have had very strong female protagonist characters. I think more than female oriented, they've had very good characters, and that's the important part. We all should take back the characters have been really good. It's not just designed for a heroine or a hero.
अर्जुन जॉन ट्रेवोल्टा के साथ स्टेज शेयर किया था, तो आप किसी हॉलीवुड एक्टर के साथ स्टेज शेयर करना चाहते हैं? You have a dream for?
I genuinely would like to say it's a dream to be able to stand today on this podium with all the actors that I've grown up watching all of them. Whether it's Hrithik, whether it's even Shahid, मैं assistant था when he became an actor. So it feels really amazing कि हम अपनी country के entertainment industry को represent करते हैं. और obviously we all love people who work in Hollywood, so that would be great. But I feel equally proud and equally honored to be sharing the stage with all the fantastic personalities that I'll get a chance to do so. Thank you so much, guys.